Welcome to the Little White Bird Traveler Hostel. If you're looking for a cozy, charming escape on Thailand's beautiful Koh Kood Island, scan that QR code quick because you're about to fall in love with this place. Picture this, a modern yet welcoming two-star gem tucked into lush tropical greenery, where the sound of waves is your daily soundtrack and adventure waits just outside your door. Opened in 2020, this intimate hostel has just 14 rooms designed for travelers who want comfort without sacrificing that authentic island vibe. What makes the Little White Bird so special? First off, location. You're moments away from Koh Kood's dreamy beaches and local hotspots. But don't worry, when you're ready to unwind, this place feels like your own peaceful hideaway. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., so you've got plenty of time to arrive, kick off your shoes, and soak in that island energy. And mornings? Take it slow. Checkout isn't until 11 a.m., meaning you can sip your coffee, lounge in a hammock, or squeeze in one last beach stroll. Now, let's talk adventure. This hostel isn't just a place to sleep, it's your launchpad for fun. Grab a canoe and paddle through crystal clear waters, exploring hidden coves and coastline like a true explorer. Back at the hostel, stay connected with free Wi-Fi, because those beach pics aren't going to post themselves. Fuel up with a tasty breakfast and rest easy knowing your ride's secure with free parking. Just a heads up, if you're traveling with little ones, there's a child policy to keep in mind, so check the details when you book. Whether you're flying solo, with your partner, or rolling deep with friends, the Little White Bird Traveler Hostel is your perfect Koh Kood home base. So, what are you waiting for? Book your stay, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to make some unforgettable island memories. See you in paradise.